Two recent shootings in both sides of the state line are raising questions about the stand your ground law.
The question is, should shooters face charges? That's where the line gets a little blurry. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Blake talked to an expert about how this law can be confusing. Sarah.
Well, the shooting that took place in one of these abandoned buildings behind me here is just the latest, raising questions about whether deadly force was necessary. So we talked to two different people with two different perspectives who both say the law can be hard to understand, especially when there's emotions involved.
It's probably not ambiguous if you know the law, but I think that what can happen is people take the phrase "stand your ground" and they misinterpret what that means.
Kansas and Missouri have the stand your ground law, meaning people have the right to use lethal force if they reasonably feel their life is being threatened without having to retreat first.
You're in a confrontation and your emotions are high and you have an adrenaline load and you don't know what to do. Reasonableness is maybe different than what 12 jurors are thinking.
Criminal defense attorney Rick Johnson says that's where it gets complex. And two recent incidents around the metro are raising these questions. And Lawrence, a homeowner, shot and killed a man he didn't know who was on the front porch of his home after they somehow got in a physical fight. Then Friday around 4 a.m. in the 2100 block of Linwood, a man who says he was remodeling a vacant building shot and killed another man who came inside. Police say he was homeless, and police haven't given out many details in either case.
The adrenaline and all that, we do our best to train them to handle it.
Martial arts instructor Fras Asab says this year he notices more people wanting to defend themselves with a gun and martial arts training, but many are confused about stand your ground.
There's a legal ramification that follows when you should be doing this and how far you're going to take it. That's why we emphasize on control and restraints.
Whether you do or don't agree with stand your ground, both say it's important to educate yourself with evolving gun laws. Again, more details in those two cases we talked about are going to come out soon, and so far nobody has been charged. In Kansas City, Missouri, I'm Sarah Blake, 41 Action News.